yes, we're back here again, hanging out at the islands, because I don't know, we're just crazy like that. But here having fun. It's pretty late. It's 11:15. We just got here, anchored up, and we're gonna spend the night, and then in the morning maybe go fishing, or there's an event going down in Miami that maybe I just take the drive down to Miami on the boat and check it out. So just gonna enjoy here, do some little night fishing, catch some bait for the morning, and then we're off. Got the bait man right there, getting ready. You getting ready, boy? All right, and let's go see what everybody else is doing. What do you think everybody else is doing? Just guess. Guess what everybody else is doing. Watch. Look at that. Everybody's sleeping. I guess me and Fresco are the only party animals here. Good morning, everybody, and we're back. We're back on the boat. Early morning. We actually stayed overnight last night. We're here again at Beercan Island in the morning, and I tried to get the sunset again, but fell asleep. Everybody fell asleep, and it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, so I missed it. But getting used to the noise though. Slept like I was at home. Now that I guess the generator and the AC doesn't bother me as much. So today we're here to have some fun in the sun early in the morning. And they're trying their luck today, trying to catch some bait fish. But what do you got? Oh, puffer fish? Nah. So look at how beautiful it looks. And yeah, there's people here with the same idea as me, I guess. And we even got a camper over there. We got some few sailboats, and then we have like a camper over there on the corner. So yeah, it's beautiful, and it's great. The only thing you hear is actually the generator. And we got lucky. I parked under the tree, under the shade. Now I just pulled the boat in so I could take Yuli to the island. But now he's. What do you want, Yuli? What do you want? You want to go back on the island? He's an island dog. He's an island dog, man. Today, you're an island dog, man. Yeah, big mama, little mama still sleeping. But us, you know, we gotta be out here trying to get lucky with the bait fish. There's a whole bunch of mullet, but we haven't caught none.
That was a bad throw. Don't put that in. That was a bad throw. That was a really bad throw.
What happened?
I got some.
What you got? So you got some?
Yeah, you got like 3 or 4. Oh my god, they're pilchard.
Put them in the life big well. Bad throw, but you still got lucky. So we're leaving the island. Big mama and little mama still sleeping, but us man, we're up. Getting some breakfast ready, some eggs and toast. And breakfast is served. All the kids ate, so it's mine. This is all mine. Ah, yes. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Breakfast at the sandbar. What are you guys doing?
Close the door, close the door.
Breakfast in bed?
No, close the door.
Wow. You ready to eat your breakfast?
No, close the door.
Really? What are you doing? What are you laughing at?
How much you want to be here?
I know you're freezing. You're freezing, right?
Vamos. Si te paras ahí arriba. You're on this side. What are you doing? Yeah, we'll do it at the same time. I don't know. 3, 2, 1.
We're gonna go test out our luck, see if we catch anything fishing. So hopefully we do. So all that earliness, we're late anyway. But I think it looks flat outside. Yeah, I think it's pretty smooth outside. Let's go check it out. testing our luck today again. Only problem is we only got little sardines. They're too little though.
Oh, you think I can put a sardine on this hook?
No, use a whole belly hook.
Yeah, no, I'll put a sardine on this.
Oh yeah, try it. Today is beautiful. Today is beautiful.
I got you. Come on. Hey,
One of those days, moving around too much.
Hold on.
What?
Here, Mom.
You got something to bite?
Ready, high, Jonas.
They're biting?
Yeah, they're biting.
You're the grunt woman today.
Look at that. I know a spot. Look.
What?
But just,
Oh, you think you're a wizard now?
yeah, it's all wizard. I know that. Right here, Donna. Change channel. That right here. Mama.
You got a floor fish. She got a floor fish.
She's done screaming. She's like, don't touch it.
How does a floor fish look like? Looks like the floor. That's a big strawberry.
I told you. I know I'm stuck, but the fish is on the hook.
You got a big strawberry.
Big
grouper.
old strawberry.
Big strawberry.
Let me help you on the rag. Where's the rag at?
Wow, let me see. That's a big strawberry grouper, man. That's a whole strawberry
Look,
patch.
this is like the biggest one I've seen.
Yeah, that's a big strawberry.
This kind. Yeah.
Okay, throw it. Yeah, throw it. Nah, I guess closed season.
Oh, I lost it. No. I bet que se te quedan, papi, que te quedan, porque yo no-
Okay, it's lunchtime. So let's see what
Mío, esas salchichas mías están cocinadas.
what happened.
Que mis salchichas son cocinadas.
You got a fish. Okay, so it's lunchtime.
No me las tienen.
And we're gonna see what we're having today for lunch. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, what is that? Got a grunt. So we're having sausages, lots of sausages.
Where's the rag?
The rag, I don't know.
Mine are already done, Cassie.
What?
Mine are already done.
Yours, this one?
No.
You like that spicy sausages? This is
We don't know.
all right. No, I already turned it.
No, pero ya las mías están. Vamos a decir, porque ya las mías están. ¿Ves? Ya las mías están.
Okay, we gotta cook.
I don't want them.
We gotta cook today. So today is no luck today, man. No fish luck. All because grunt.
No, I've got like another one. This is going half a mile.
What?
This is going half a mile.
So it's just, I guess it's hanging out day. So it's a good day. As long as I'm in the water, it's a good day.
Whoa, eat somebody else's steak.
So I guess it's a hanging out day. Another live action.
Yeah, oh my God.
Oh, what is that? Come on, man. That's embarrassing. That is embarrassing. Let me see that.
Still the same thing, so that means it's a good bottom.
Yeah, there's a little rocky bottom here. Okay, I fish for sausages. You guys fish for strawberry groupers. And we can't eat them. But we can eat the sausages though, right? Right.
Oh my God, otro gigante.
Another one. Oh my God.
And they're all illegal.
They're closed.
And oh my God, another strawberry grouper, but it's
They're
closed.
lucky. He's lucky. He's lucky. He'd be dead by now.
Wow, that's a nice one.
Punch. Mira, pinch the. Yeah, we gotta pinch the.
The bubble. Oh, live action now. At least we're entertained. Oh, let me take a picture.
That's like a photo.
Yeah. But no. You know what?
No, so I'm already. Let me have the
Yeah,
thing to
just throw it back. Here, the knife right here.
Burst the bubble.
A little bit, little hole, little tiny hole. Oh, look at Mama. She knows her technique.
You got it? Go look, put it.
There you go. Look at, oh, catch and release. Bye bye, grouper. You lucky it's close season. If not, you be eating. At least entertained. After spending a night on the boat and having breakfast at the sandbar, and then we headed out fishing, and we enjoyed a beautiful sunny day here in Winter, Florida, Miami Beach. But it's about that time. It's time to go home.